Hey guys, welcome to How Does It Every Day, and today I'm going to teach you how to do baseboards like a pro. So guys, the first thing that you're going to need is all your tools. I will be leaving the description down below to everything that you need. I am going to recommend you use 2-inch for your nails if you have a nail gun, or if you just want to go with your hammer. Do not go bigger than 2 inches because they will start to get stuck, and do not go smaller than 2 inches because they're not going to grab enough on the drywall. After you put baseboards, you're going to need painter's caulk. This is the best one that I found. It's easy, it's very economic, and it just works great, and you'll be able to paint over it without a problem. You're going to need a trusty knife or something to cut with so you can actually cut your baseboards, your old ones, if you are removing. And you're going to need a pry bar. This one's actually enough. This one is overkill, but if you do have some that are very stuck, this one's going to come in handy. The process is very simple. The first thing you're going to do is remove your old one, make sure all your area is clean. Then we're going to install a new one, and then after that you paint it with whatever you want. Now, a couple tricks that I want to tell you is on your corners, do not trust your corners. No corners pretty much in this whole entire apartment are straight. They're actually, angles are very jaggedy. Now, there are two options. You can either compensate and put one over the other, or you can actually just make some in a knife 45, and then you can use your caulking to actually make sure that you don't see any of the corners. I do recommend the second one because it's the easiest to work with, and any imperfection you'll be able to cover up just a little bit. Now, since no corner is straight, I do recommend to cut your angles at either a little bit more than 45 or a little bit under, depending on what you're cutting. Just try it out. You're gonna get the feel for it, how every corner is. They're all different, but you're gonna get the hang of it, of actually getting angles that match up together nicely. Now, the last tip that I want to give you is do not measure with a measuring tape. You're better off actually laying down the baseboard, seeing how it fits, and then marking on the spot. I did this entire apartment with just that tip, and it worked out perfect. The first baseboard that I actually tried measuring, it just didn't work. It's better when you put it, lay it, you actually see where you gotta cut, and always cut a little bit more because you could always shave off, you can't add more at the end. So without further ado, make sure you check out all these tools in the description, and let's get started. there you go, guys. Very simple process. It makes the house look perfect and brand new. I hope you enjoy this. Now do remember that this video is from my Fixer Upper series. If you want to check out the other videos, make sure it's in the description down below. And don't forget to subscribe. Give it a thumbs up if you like it. Let me know what you thought of in the comments, or if you have any other tips for anybody else. That would be greatly appreciated. So thank you again for watching, and I'll see you in the next build.